Welcome to the Texas Bar Practice Law Education Account tutorial. We're going to show you how to create a law education account. These accounts are intended for students and professors of accredited Texas law schools. Once you sign up, you'll have free access to all digital and online versions of Texas Bar Book publications and other benefits. Start by going to texasbarpractice.com and scroll down. Select Create an Account. Now, select Law Student. When entering your law school address, be sure to use your .edu address. Enter your estimated graduation date. Click Next, create an account, enter your information, and click Next. Choose Select Myself. Sign in with your username and password. You will be taken to your library page. Once you've selected your digital download and/or practice manual subscription, you will find them here. To purchase, go to Bookshop and choose your publication. For the free resources, be sure to leave Check to add hard copy blank, or you will be charged for the full price of the book. Now go to your cart, choose My Library, and you will see a zeroed out total in your cart. Fill out the billing details. Please note that you'll not be asked for any credit card information. Read the download policy and click the box, and then place the order. To access your resources, go to My Library and launch your digital download or online subscription. Thanks for watching, and practice well.